Hello all. This is another assignment in Unity Fundamentals, Self-Assessment Round 1. This is assignment number 6. What is time delta time? What exactly Simulate Bool do on the Rigidbody component? What is time delta time? Time delta time is a value in the Unity that represents time elapsed between current frame and previous frame. It is used to frame. It is used to calculate the frame rate independent calculations in the game. By multiplying time delta time with time dependent values like speed or velocity, like it will ensure that they they will then they will perform consistently independent of frame rate. Like different devices will have different frame rates. To make the values frame rate independent, like the whatever the values calculations will not depend on the frame rate by multiplying with the time delta time. For example, if the player movement speed there, by multiplying the player movement speed with time delta time, it will perform consistently independent of the frame rate. Okay, this is because of different devices will have different type of frame rate that will cause lags and different type of behavior in the game if we made calculation depending on the frame rate. So make the calculation frame rate independent, we will multiply with the time delta time. What is Simulate Bool do on the Rigidbody component? Simulate Bool is how we enable physical simulation on the object. Once we assign Rigidbody component, when we when we enable the simulation bool, it will work under physical simulation. Like it will be affected by physical forces like gravity, mass, velocity, speed. Okay, when we disable this simulation, it will be the body will rigid body will be in the static mode, and it will not affected by the any gravity or mass or physical forces. Okay, why this is useful means if we have a player character and we have in some circumstances like in a moving platforms or any other circumstances, we have to make independent of the physics simulation. Like we have to disable simulation, physics simulation for a period of time, for a while in certain circumstances. So we can enable and disable this by using by enabling and disabling simulating bool. So we can perform the requirements like what we can disable physics environment for a player for a while, like for as long as we require. Okay, it enables physics environment for the player, and it disables when we uncheck it. It disables physics environment for the player. Okay, that's all. This assignment I have only 2 questions. Thank you. Hope I am clear on my answers. Thank you, one and all.